Welcome back, cooks. This will be our double side cleaning of the raw prep shrimp video. The reason we do both sides is one will be the digestive sand tract on the outer side, the other will be the blood vessel of the shrimp on the inner side. Let's look at our spread. We'll start with a knife, a clean bowl of water, something to dispose the shells in, a clean bowl for your clean shrimp, and of course, our raw shrimp from the market.
It is your choice, as we like to buy the easy peel raw shrimp. It's already pre-cleaned for the most part, and the shell is cut in the back, but you can use frozen shrimp or whatever you would like. Some of these are still a little bit frozen, so we'll dip it in the water just to make it a little bit more flexible. Cold water, as you don't want to cook it. But this makes it easy to pull all the legs off the shrimp, and it comes out as one piece. We'll pinch slightly. Pull the shrimp out of the shell. Let's spin it over. Then we'll pinch the tail and it should slide right off. We'll go ahead and discard the shell. And this is our clean shrimp. Of course, we'll come back and devein it later. Let's see that one more time. Again, we'll go ahead. This one's a little bit frozen. To get that frozenness off, we'll just dip it in a little bit of water, cold water. Makes it a lot more flexible. Pinch down on all the legs of the shrimp, squeezes right out the back, pinch the tail, and it slides right out. Discard that. Again, we'll come back and clean these later. At first, you just want to get all your shrimp de-shelled. Makes the process go a lot faster. In real time, we'll show you once you get faster at this, you can do this very quickly. For this very reason, this is why we like the easy peel shrimp or prawns. If they were truly raw, you would have to tear all those legs off, then also tear the shell off the back, and then still do the pinch process on the tail. With the easy peel shrimp or prawns, it's already cut in the back, so you can go much faster by taking off the shell this way. Now that we've deshelled all our shrimp, we'll go ahead and clean both sides. We'll start with the outer side, which has the shrimp's digestive tract. It can hold sand and waste, and we don't want that, otherwise it'll taste gritty on our finished shrimp. We'll also clean the inner side, which is a blood vessel, as well. Let's start with our knife. Remember to always cut away from ourselves. And we'll make a small incision at the back. And see that hanging? We don't want that. That's the rest of the digestive tract. Even though this is clean and peeled shrimp, there's always a little bit left in there. So we'll go ahead and make sure we cut that off. You can keep a piece of paper towel to wipe and clean your knife. Then you can rinse, and then we'll go ahead and cut the inner side, which is a clear blood vessel for shrimps or prawns. This one we cut out, as on your finished shrimp. You don't want it to be stringy when people bite into it. This one, you're going to do a little bit of surgery. For video purposes, we'll go ahead and we'll do an incision. Don't cut all the way down, just slightly, just enough to be able to pull this out. Normally you can put your knife down, and with just a pinch, it should come out in one piece. Remember, if your shrimp aren't easy peel, you'll have to do the same process for the back side, making a cut along the outer edge to pull both of these nasty strings of grossness out. Here's another visual so you can see it again. As you get faster, you'll learn to do this process quickly.
And that's how you properly double-side clean shrimp. Thanks for prepping with B&T. Search shrimp on our site and turn this into a meal.